Welcome back. Today I'll be going through the templates from the admin workspace of our system, where you can see the normal users work under templates. You can see that you can add a template and add it to your list. If you are an admin for multiple workspaces or companies, you might want to add a template that you can give to all of them. Here you'll go onto your admin workspace, go to templates and go to objective. Add your objective, then add your key result and link your key result to your objective. Once you have done that, you can go back to the user's profile and you can see that the template has been added. You can then add that template to the user's list. If you go to the top left, you'll see that this user has multiple companies or workspaces. Here you can select the company or workspace that you want to go to, and you'll see that this user under this company has the template that you have created. The user can then use this template and add it to their list. Another feature that we have is the to-do list. Here, the user can add any to-do list that they wish. When they add it on the admin side, it can be assigned to any companies or workspace that they have. Here, the user can look at the scratch pad, which is where the to-do list is. Then they can tick off the to-do list and it will show that they have finished the entire list. The user can add their own list and assign different people to this list. Thanks for watching.